So I was working with a company recently and they sell a product which is not a necessity, but it is really nice. It's nice to have. It has some health and well-being benefits. So the thing is, what was happening with them was they were selling way too much on their knowledge, yeah, their technical knowledge, and not selling to emotions, to the customer's emotions. And let me explain. So the thing is with knowledge, it can be a blessing or a curse, especially if you oversell on all the tech and not on the emotional buy-in. Now, neuroscience confirms we buy on emotion and justify with logic. So if that's the case, you've got to ask yourself what you're selling. If it is not a real necessity, if it's not by law you need to have something like this, or you can't live without this. If it's not a necessity, then you need to sell to their emotions. And what is the emotional process that leads to a purchase? Well, it begins with the new development in the buyer's self-image. So what I mean by that is that the buyers see themselves in this new way, enjoying the benefits of your product or service. So you've got to sell to their emotions, and with this company, I said to them, I noticed that other companies that I've been to sell to the emotions, whether they know it or not. One of them I felt compelled to buy wasn't talking about loads of tech knowledge, wasn't talking about what my budget is. He wasn't talking money. He was just talking to me about what sparked the interest, and he was talking to me about how can you see yourself using it? What kind of things would you be looking to use this for? What's your lifestyle like? It's all these different types of questions that then allow him to sell to my emotions, and then I can picture myself with this and getting the benefits out of it. So think about that. If you're selling something, are you triggering their emotions enough? Are you getting them bought in emotionally wise instead of just trying to justify on logic or selling technical knowledge and things like that? Is it going way over their head? Uh, rather than the actual sale is a lot easier than you think. Start thinking about what's the scenarios? Tell a story. What is the scenarios that would really that would appeal to them? They can see themselves in that vision, using it and getting the benefits out of it. So think about that. Sell to their emotions and let them justify by logic, but it's sell to the emotions. Make your customer see themselves in this new way, enjoying the benefits of your product or service. I hope this has helped, and sign up to my YouTube channel if you've got that there, or follow me on LinkedIn if you're not already doing so, and really start to implement some of these tactics. But one thing I would say is continue to work at it over a sustained period of time, because nowadays people are very quick to disregard things. That doesn't work, so let's try something else. So hope this has helped. Sell to their emotions, get them to picture actually seeing and feeling the benefits of using your product or service, and don't overuse technical knowledge, and also don't sell with logic. They will justify it with logic. Sell to their emotions.